Okay, so I thought I'd put together a quick little video on how I'm going to be controlling the switches on my layout. I'm going to be using the Digis DR4018 switch controller. It allows me to switch or control 8 switches at one time, and I've got 16 switches on my layout, and so I'll be using 2 of these. The signal line from my track from the MRC controller or base station plugs into it on one side, and then a 12-volt power supply plugs in on the other. And then from the back of the unit, you've got wires that go over to your switches. And so once that's all configured and set up, you can throw the switch using, for example, I can use my tablet, which is connected to MRC using the MRC Wi-Fi controller, or I can use my cab and change switches back and forth on it. So that works quite well as also. One of the reasons why I'm making this video is because the videos online didn't tell you that there's actually 3 wires that come out of the back of the DR4018 that have to plug into a little adapter. And then from that adapter, there's the 2 wires that go to the Kato switches. So I guess they assumed you were going to know that because there's 3 plugs on the adapter and 3 plugs on the back, but I was just putting 2 from the DR4018 to the adapter, and then 2 to the Kato, and it took me a little while to figure this out. So just thought I'd give you a little heads up ahead of time on how to set this up. It works amazingly well once you set it up. I'll be able to control all my switches from either my cab controller or from my tablet, and I'll also be able to do routes, although my layout really isn't big enough to do routes. So, but it'll be fun, and it'll be a good way to control my 16 switches. So have a good day. Stay tuned for more updates.